Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I have just been grocery shopping, taken a little bit longer than I had anticipating, for the upcoming week that will be eating out of my Plantiful Lean new cookbook that I got from Plantiful Kiki. I've been following her on YouTube for a long time now and I just love the way that she cooks. It seems very simple and easy. So what I did was, oh, where's my bag gone? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so what I did was just planned out the entire week of food following her food plan that she has in the book. So I will actually take you through the week of what we're eating and what my family thinks of it, because we've been eating plant-based, well, mostly plant-based for a long time now. Yeah, so we've got a nice big list here. I spent a total of $137.49. So that was a big grocery shop, but I did get a lot. And then I went to Aldi and got some extra things. Not all of this is directly related to the food plan, but we spent $100 at Aldi. So $230, a $240 week grocery shop, which is actually like a lot. We don't usually spend that much, but maybe that works out to be the equivalent, because we would generally spend $150, $180 a week, but then do like a top up. Whereas I think this will be like the entirety of the week. Not so bad. So I'm going to prep for the week ahead, the work week and the school week. Let's do that. Okay, so dinner tonight is, we're having loaded potatoes, some roasted carrots with broccoli, some cheese sauce, and instead of the mushrooms, I'm doing zucchini because my family is stinkers and they don't like mushrooms. Boo. Here's the kids' meals, all separated. It's funny how you do that as a kid, hey? And then these are our ones. Absolutely loaded up. Blimey, it's a lot of food though. I can see how you can be regular with this. What do you think, Daddy?
It was tasty and filling, so 8 out of 10, I think.
Good. Lexi, what's your rating?
I really liked the potatoes. It was pretty filling, so I'm going to say 8 out of 10 too.
Good girl. Vincey's not feeling the best, so he's still going. But he's a bit of a slow poke, isn't he? I really enjoyed it. I also would rate it an 8 out of 10. What's wrong, son? Very telling of this meal. Delicious.
So my rating is 9 out of 10.
Ooh, 9 out of 10. Quite high, sweetie.
Yes, the only thing that I didn't like about it was like a lot of this stuff.
A lot of soup. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. My kids aren't big soup fans.
It was a lot.
What do you think, Dad?
All finished. It was good. Love the salad.
Yeah, same.
Filling as well as last night's, and the soup, well, I'd say about 8 out of 10 again.
Good.
Vince is still a bit unwell, aren't you, darling? What's your rating, sweetie?
10 out of 10.
Oh, good work. Dinner is ready, actually. got a sick little family. Poor little babies. And daddy. But I thoroughly enjoyed that one. Very, very filling. I'm feeling like a bit of a pattern here. Definitely feeling I never have to eat any other food. This is delicious. Thoroughly enjoying this one. I've added some cucumber, sprouts, and a bit of not broccoli, rocket, because we're growing it out in the garden. So I'm making egg rolls tonight. Got some coriander ready, some sesame oil ready. Here's my little mixture. These were the wrappers that I found. Spring roll pastry. I couldn't find any others, and seems like the ingredients are okay. Although I'm a bit concerned. Is the fat grams a bit too much per 100? I don't know, guys. I'm not sure. Can you please tell me? Okay, so safe to say, I'm not bloody using those things again, stupid things. Took me like 2.5 minutes every roll to like actually get the stupid wrapper off. I made the 7 required, and that's all I'm making. They exploded! This one came out alright. Look, they taste good, they just don't look so great. Wish I had some sweet chili sauce. Sonny. So I'm just editing this video now and wanted to come on to give you the concluding statements. I absolutely loved this week of eating from the Plantiful Lean book. I found each of the meals super tasty, and it really did help to prep on that Sunday before the week. Just like the cheese sauce, steamed potatoes. I made the soup even the day before, and the dressings for the salads. The salads were great, actually. So we would usually have like 1 salad a week type thing, but just to have it with like a nice dressing was so delicious. What else to take away? I found the meals were really filling, and I also found that the portion sizes were super generous. So often we would have leftovers and I'd just take them to work the next day. That was quite handy, actually. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's What I Eat in a Day type video. And be sure to check out my one from last week where I did all the meal prepping for this week. I'll pop that in the description box below, and I'll leave it as a card up the top as well. So I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.